Hello and welcome to our video on garden furniture ideas for outdoor recreation. And this video we will be exploring different types of garden furniture from swings to hammocks and more to help you create a relaxing and inviting outdoor space. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about swings. Swings have been a popular outdoor furniture option for years, and for good reason. They provide a touch of whimsy and fun to any garden, while also offering a comfortable spot to sit and relax. Whether you prefer a classic wooden swing or a modern metal design, there is a swing out there to suit your taste. By choosing a swing, make sure to consider the size of your garden and the weight limit of the swing. Also think about the style and color of the swing to ensure it fits and with the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. Once you have your swing in place, consider adding some cushions or blankets to make it even more comfortable. Now let's move on to hammocks. Hammocks provide a more relaxed and laid back vibe than swing, making them ideal for napping or simply enjoying the fresh air and nature. There are several different types of hammocks available, from classic rope design to more luxury padded versions. When choosing a hammock, consider the material and size of the hammock. Some hammocks are made from cotton or polyester, while others are made from more durable materials like nylon. Make sure the hammock you choose is the right size of your garden and that it comes with a sturdy frame or can be hung securely from a tree or post. In addition to swing and hammocks, there are several other garden furniture ideas to consider for your outdoor space. Cozy sitting areas with chairs, sofas, and coffee table can provide a great spot to relax with friends and family. Outdoor dining sets are perfect for hosting dinner parties or enjoying a meal al fresco, and relaxing longers offer a comfortable spot to read a book or soak up the sun. When choosing garden furniture, consider the size of your garden, the amount of sunlight it receives, and the overall style of your outdoor space. With a little bit of planning, you can create a beautiful and inviting garden that you will love spending time in. And that's it for our video on garden furniture ideas for outdoor recreation. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to create your own relaxing outdoor space. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.